Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Stephanie. You guys, you're gonna laugh, but guess what I have? I have another Walmart beauty box. So I actually do remember signing up for a second one. I think what I thought I was signing up for was their pricier box. Like they came out with like a super special fancy box, but I don't seem to be getting that. I seem to be getting kind of the normal quarterly boxes. But honestly, you guys, I find these boxes to be a pretty good deal. So this one is the Beauty Box Summer 2023 version 2. So is this the same box as I got before? We're gonna find out. So here's the cheat sheet. This box is it's just so easy to get. It's less than $10, you know? So for me, with taxes, you pay whatever your state and local taxes are. For me, it's under $7.50 mailed to me for that price, right? So pretty good deal. I've always kind of enjoyed getting it, even though there's a lot of stuff I don't use. For instance, a lot of times I'll get like false nails. And here's one, the Manny tacos. I can't use these, you guys. I live on a farm. These would last less than 30 seconds on me. So I have a couple of these. I'll probably put in giveaway boxes. This is really pretty, right? I did get this in the other box. Very pretty. The shade is lovely. I also have generally larger nail beds than most of these false nails. They're usually just too small for me, but they're pretty. I wish I could use them. This is kind of cool. This is not in my other box. This is Sally Hansen, and this is a pro brush kit for doing your nails. So that's kind of fun. I do my own nails. We've had that conversation before. I used to get them done professionally, and it was getting to where I was just getting cut and burned so much. I used to just sit in the salon and shake from, I knew I was going to get, my nail beds were going to get burned or I was going to get cut. So I had to stop, and I do my own nails now. So when they're an ugly mess, it is definitely my own fault. But yeah, so that's kind of nice. Would I buy this in the store? Probably not. But that's nice to get. So that's cool. Then we have this NYX. This I definitely did get. This is from NYX. It is this Smooth Whip. I don't know what color it is. Where is it going to tell me the shade on here? Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream. Is there the color on here? Since I already have one, I'm not going to open that because I'll put that in the giveaway because I already have one. And it's nice. It's NYX. So this is $7.97. The Manny Taco, where are they in here? Oh, come on, seriously. Well, they have Salon Perfect Manny to Go press-on nail set, which is $4.94. I guess this is it. Yeah, Salon Perfect. So $4.94 for that. And then this, the Sally Hansen, is shockingly $10.31 for this. So these are all already well more than the price of the box, right? Then we've got Maybelline in New York, the Falsies Surreal. Obviously, this is a mascara. Seems a little small for full size. I'd call this more like a travel size. Is it going to be on the card? They're not always on the card. Yep, it is. So $9.99 for this for a full size. This doesn't feel like full size, guys, right? I mean, it would come in packaging. I feel like it'd be a little bigger than this, but I could be wrong. Okay, the last item is, I'm happy to get this. I had it in my other box, you guys. It's number 7. This is a Lift Illuminate Triple Action Serum. Sweet to get the number 7 in there. This is $24.98. That's like 3 times the cost of the box in this one product. I did get a number 7 product in the last box. So now you guys see why I get 2 of these boxes. I mean, this is a fantastic product. A number of you guys commented on the last box that you were pretty excited I got a number 7 item. Now I've gotten 2. So I mean, like I said, it's like $6.97 for the box plus tax. Like mine comes out to like $7 and maybe 45 cents or something shipped. That's mailed to you at that cost. So I'm super excited to get this. Great box, right? Great box. The only thing that's super different, this is definitely different than I got in the last one. So a little bit of a variation. I feel like I did get, I know I got the NYX, and I feel like I did get, I know I got it, a mascara, and I think it was this one. So I mean, almost an identical box, but just a little different. So let me know what you guys think. So for 2 boxes, I spent $15, and like I got 2 of these number 7s that are basically $25 each. So I got like, just in 2 products, I got $50 MSRP value on that, plus all the other stuff. So don't be shy, go for it, subscribe. It's, yeah, you know, I know there was a deal where Walmart screwed up and people got charged an exorbitant amount of money. I was really fortunate that didn't happen to me. I don't know how I got missed on that, but I did. So this is what it looks like. Let me know your thoughts, you guys. I am not unhappy to get almost all the same stuff. The nail, you know, the nail press-on things I'll put in giveaways, which is fine. The NYX, since I already have one, I'll probably put that in a giveaway as well. I might give it to a friend. But, you know, not unhappy with my box. I can't say that I'm unhappy with it. I think it's a good buy. So even if sometimes you get stuff and you're kind of like, for me, like the press-on nails, not helpful, but doesn't matter. You always get a couple of good items. So, all right, y'all. Appreciate your time. I am trying to get caught up on videos. This is my second video I've made. If you guys will recognize this hand of swatching, you'll know what video I just made prior to this. That was my Ice Cream Beauty unboxing. So if you haven't watched that video, please do check it out. That's another favorite subscription of mine. Lots of good stuff in it this month, as there always is. So have a great one, you guys. Stay cool if you're in North America, because we are sweltering in the heat right now. Hope you're doing better than we are for rain. It's pretty droughty here. It's pretty bad. So hopefully we get some improvement. But take care, y'all, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.